Hey, it's Gabriel Brown here with a data report hack as promised. Now, this data report I think is one of the most important ones that you can know about when you're actually completing a credit application. All right. And this information that you put on a credit application is probably one of the most vital points of interest that creditors, lenders, bankers, mortgage companies actually look at. And that is your employment history. Your employment history. Now, there's a data report about your employment history that's been around for some years now, but this report actually talks about your specific job and the industry that you're in. And this data report is called a job security score. A job security score. Sometimes it's also referred to as an employment security score. Now, what this is the industry that you're in has some statistical data that is submitted yearly by employers in that industry. It talks about if the industry is strong as far as revenue generated that year for that industry. It talks about if the employment pool or the individuals that comprise the employment pool for that industry, if their jobs are increasing, decreasing, if the income for those individuals are going up or going down, and a few more points of interest as well. But all of the information that is compiled in this report gives a score that bankers, lenders, and creditors look at because it lets them know if you could potentially be let go or terminated from your position in the upcoming 12 months. Let me repeat that. This job security score or the employment security score is an indicator of whether or not you will have a job within the next 12 months or will you be terminated. Okay, now this score goes from 0 to 1,000. All right, now it's important that you know about this, but very few people know where to get this score. And all you have to do is answer about 15 or 20 questions on this survey, and it gives you your job security score. So find out what it is. And there's ways that you can answer these questions. And there's some strategies you can use when you're responding to the questions that could get you a higher security score. All right. So you need to know this. That is the first data report hack for today.